Hi, welcome everybody to the Crypto Minds weekly NerdCon 1 edition of the show. Today, we're going to be taking on staking, coin staking, coins that mine themselves. It sounds too good to be true, does it? But no, it's a real thing. And it's another way that crypto and coins and blockchain operate in the cryptoverse. And before I get into that, remember this show is with nerdcon1.com and our great sponsors, Pyre Performance Products and Razer Streamer. Check out both of those products. We have links down below in the description of our videos, and we even have a discount code for some of their products. So check out Pyre Performance Products and Razer Streamer and enjoy. And if you're liking what you're seeing both on NerdCon 1 and here at the Crypto Mind, please smash that like button, hit the subscribe button for both of our channels, and please share the videos out. This is a great way to get engaged with your friends as well, and they'll probably appreciate the information you're forwarding. Okay, on to staking. What is coin staking? So in proof of work, as you've seen with the mining, it's called proof of work because you've been showing that you've been working, and you get rewarded for that. Proof of stake is a totally different thing. It almost never involves using your computers or mining rigs to make it work. What proof of stake is they say, okay, we're going to use the coins that everyone has in their wallets and are willing to stake. And that usually means, in most cases, putting them aside and making them unavailable for you to buy and sell and use, but you're using them to bolster the network of that coin. And the more coins you have staked, the more rewards you will get. Rewards typically for most coins have a flat kind of interest rate as to what you get over time, but that's not all of them. Some of them give you more staking rewards if you hold your coins for a longer period of time, or even if you have more coins staked, they may give you a bump in your rate of return. And some others kind of fluctuate with the network. And I'll be showing you all of those right now. Okay, so here I have my Callisto wallet. And I had mined some callisto a while back, about 5,600 of them, and they're not worth a lot for each one, but they had a staking thing. In the case of callisto, what you do is you put your coins to stake, and they are held there for 27 days. And once 27 days comes up, you can either, as it shows here, you can either withdraw the stake, or you can claim your reward that will show up here once the 27 days are over. As you see, I'm 99% of the way there, so I think maybe tomorrow it'll be released. And the reason why it says start staking is because I have 0.594 Callisto here, so I could apparently stake those. Callisto does not have a minimum amount needed to start staking. So that's Callisto, and so it has no minimums, and you can do it anytime. But you have to agree to set your coins away for 27 days holding while the staking occurs. Your coins that are held are helping run the Callisto network on its proof of stake system. So that's how that one goes. Now, next. So in the old days, the original proof of stake that came out after proof of work had you had to have coins in your wallet, and the wallet itself was set up for staking, but you had to have the coins in the wallet and the wallet open and running for it to count as staking. And so one of the coins like that, one of the OGs of the staking, proof of stake world was Potcoin here. And we've got the really old school, the original. Here's a Potcoin wallet I've had for a long time. Potcoin was one of the original proof of stake coins out there. You can't mine Potcoin. You could at the very early beginnings of Potcoin, but then they quickly went to proof of stake instead of proof of work. So in the old form of proof of stake, what would happen is that you would you had to have your wallet open and running so that it was creating a network connection and being a node, and that basically you were getting rewarded for doing that. And that's where that's how proof of stake originally worked. So you had to have your wallet open, and what you would do is, in this case, you'd unlock your wallet for staking, and my password, and then what it would say down here in the bottom right corner, it would say wallet is encrypted and currently unlocked, and then here it would tell you if you're staking or not at the time. It fluctuates in and out of staking. Unfortunately, something happened on my relaunch of the wallet, and it's not reading the didn't read the blockchain right, so it's recreating the whole blockchain from scratch. 347 weeks behind right now, it says. So it's doing that. But you can even see over here on the right hand side that I was getting rewards. I was calculating it's about every 18 hours or so I get a reward from Potcoin. It's not always the same reward, but I get something. And that's like the original proof of stake. And you know, that I guess for some people that was annoying, and they didn't like that as much. And some coins have come up with what's called the cold staking, where you can be staking and get your rewards for staking, but not having to have a program running to make that happen. Before I get to a couple other coins and my wrap up on this video, here's a word from our sponsors.
Hey everyone, Nick here from NerdCon1. Even though this is the presidential election, there are many more candidates on the ballot besides the president. Go to Ballot Ready for a nonpartisan guide to your entire ballot. From there you can compare candidates based on stances on issues, biography, or endorsements, and then save your choices to use when you vote by mail or in the voting booths. You can even request your absentee ballot or make a plan to vote early or on election day. This election matters. Make sure you have a plan to vote and vote informed.
Okay, another example of staking interfaces is that, because the last one, Callisto was on a web interface, and this one from Conceal is they have a hard, a core wallet that you can have on your computer. They have, and then they also have a cloud wallet, and it's a little app, and so I can sign in with my cloud wallet, and they make you do a two-factor authentication. Alright, so here I am in my cloud wallet, and it shows that my portfolio has, and it's showing that my portfolio has 20 CCX or 20 Conceal, but I've mined more than that, and the reason why you don't see it all is because I've staked some of it. Like Callisto, Cloud doesn't seem to have a minimum to stake with, but I would say that it would make more sense to at least get yourself 100 of them or more, to just to do it right. But what I will do is I'll go down here. Oh, here it is, right next to the dashboard. Banking, they call it. So banking, and then if you go in here, you've got your wallet where you can make deposits, and so it's got my deposit history here. I put in 100 Conceal. Back on down here, you can see the deposit details, Interest rate is 0.25%, but here's the interest. I'll get 0.24 conceal for the 100 that I have in, and I'm holding it for oh, here it is. So 10/4 is when I deposit it, the start date. Expected unlock time is going to be 10/26, which is the 26th of this month. So I'm just holding it for 22 days. I think I had set it up for a month. So it's just a 1 month interest rate. The longer you, with Conceal, it's not a set interest rate. With them, the longer that you are willing to lock down your coins for staking, the larger the interest rate they will give you. So kind of like the way the CDs work in the bank. So if you're willing to hold it out for a longer period of time, you'd get more. And so I can see actually the countdown here and the percentage of time that has elapsed for this contract, and that's pretty neat. So I can do it off of this wallet app. I don't have to have a core wallet that holds the whole blockchain in, and that's so that's Conceal. Okay, another example here I want to show is AION. AION is a mineable coin, and they are on the Equihash GPU, one of those algos, and they also have a proof of stake, staking system. Theirs works like this. They have a software called AION Stake, and if you open that up, they have a whole ecosystem of they have a whole ecosystem of staking. So it's not just AION itself. It's not just AION itself that creates a place for staking. All right, so up comes what it knows about me. It says, you got 20 AION balance, rewards 4.65, and again, 20. I've got more than 20. So if we look at my account, I've staked 700 AION, and then it's it's currently creating more AION through the proof of stake. Right now I've gotten 4.65. So this 20 up here is coins that I did not stake yet. I got them after I deposited the 700 AION. So, but the neat thing is here too, is that AION has an entire staking ecosystem. They've allowed people to create their own staking pools, and even allow them to decide, what fees they'll charge. So it's a competitive market for staking. Right now, I'm staked with AION Pool, which is both a mining pool and a staking pool. But I could stake with any of these down here, and they have performance reviews. And some of them are inactive, some of them are active. Some don't have very many coins in them, others have a bunch. So you really have a big freedom to decide where you want to put your AION coins. So this is like a further decentralization of staking, which I think lends some strength to AION to say, look, we're even less hackable now, because who's going to get 51% of all of this? So I think it's pretty brilliant. AION's on to something here. This multifaceted approach to security, I think, actually is a big boon, and there are many coins that are pursuing that right now. But for many of them, especially like those tokens off the Ethereum blockchain that I showed in my previous video, they're not mined. They're purely on their own if they have a staking mechanism. Some do, some don't. You saw some coins and staking situations that I just showed you, and in each one of those examples, there was no minimum to stake. So that's not all of them out there. So Zul, Zell Cash, that I like to mine a lot and love the project. They have a minimum of 5,000 Zell to be able to stake. And then there's something beyond that, 10,000 plus, and they have 3 tiers of it for something called creating a Zell node, which are what are called master nodes. And I'm going to talk about that in a coming video. Not today. Filled your brain up enough. But that's it for the Crypto Mind. Please, if you're liking the information you're getting and you think that it's worthwhile, please like this video, click the like button, hit the subscribe, both on NerdCon1 and here at the Crypto Mind. And please, please share this video out and get other people excited. If you're excited, you're not going to be the only one. And this is something that you and your friends should definitely be getting involved with, whether you start doing it super seriously or if you even just do it for fun. You're going to find that it's so worth your time. So thank you very much. Have a good day.